Hey friends, every WordPress website needs regular maintenance. And while you are maintaining your WordPress website, there might be visitors coming on your site and there might be some embarrassment for them because the screen might be showing website under maintenance and it cannot put correct impression on your visitors, on your buyers who are can be a potential customers as well. So I have a very simple method via a plugin through which we can lock our website during maintenance. So this is the plugin that you can avail at WordPress repository and its name is AWESWP lock. So AWESWP lock we can say, and using this plugin you can simply lock your website while on maintenance. So this is a good plugin, and of course it is available for free. It has got 700 plus installation. Regular updates for this plugin is also going on, so you can rely on this plugin. Let us see how it works in the backend. I'm going to download this plugin. I will install this plugin at this demo, this default site. So I will go to the dashboard. I'm going to add the same plugin, install, or so we can go this plugin directly through the WordPress repository. As I said, AWESWP log. Let us see if we can find it here. And it should be here because it is active on the WordPress repository. We can simply install it and activate it, of course, after installation. And let us see how we can use this. So it is installed and it is here, and WP log for 2 hours, log for 4 hours. We have such options. So don't install any plugin just for testing on your live website because it may put some impression, it may keep some impression on your database that even does not gets deleted when you are removing or deactivating the particular plugin. So it is very important, don't install any plugin, this plugin or any other plugin, just for testing. This is why I'm showing you most useful plugin on this channel, and I'm sure you are a regular visitor and subscriber of this channel if you are anyhow connected to WordPress website. So I'm showing you most useful plugins and the selected WordPress theme for your WordPress website project so that you may choose the correct things. So we are talking about how to log our website during the maintenance, and this is the AWESWP log plugin that we are exploring now. And lock your website from external access with AWESWP log. You can block access of non-registered users. So it is also important for registered users. It is not going to be blocked. You can also define a specific time spent to lock your or unlock your website. This plugin was developed by that is fine. So we can simply lock our website for 2 hours or 4 hours and the unlock site permanently. This is by default selected, means not lock, and lock site permanently. This is also an option, and we can even show the message this site is currently not available, please return later, and some more customization like unlock site for certain minutes and lock site for hours. So you can even define the unlock time, lock time, and unlock site. So you can even set the duration. If your server is going on maintenance and you got the notification from hosting providers, you can use this method, and lock site from too. So this is very wonderful that we can completely customize the locking, and we can even customize the message that can be visible on the site, and even you can use an image. So enable access for editor. Okay, that is also good. So this is all very good options that you can use for locking your site during the maintenance, and I hope this plugin is going to be helpful for the purpose it has been made. So in the next video, I'm coming with more solutions, more plugins, more useful things for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye, keep watching. Thank you.